He is a winner of World Squash Championship 2024.
Honestly, it's been a long journey of training. Every early morning and late night of practice has finally paid off.
How do your family, friends, and school sports community support you in your journey?
My ultimate goal is to reach the Olympic level. I am inspired by my grandfather.
How do you balance both school and schooling in coming year?
A turning point for me was during the national. When I injured my thigh, it was a tough moment.
Hello, I am Bhumika.
Hello, I'm Vaidehi Shekhawat and we welcome you all in today's podcast.
Here we have Anirudh Krishnawat, who doesn't need any introduction, but for our viewers, let me briefly highlight his remarkable achievements. He is a winner of World Squash Championship 2024 and also he achieved gold and silver medal in international championship held in Russia. By the way, Vaidehi, what is squash?
Well, it's a unique martial art that combines strategy, agility, and incredible mental toughness. This young athlete has big heart as big as his mind. Bhumika, I'm so excited to hear about his journey.
Alright, Anirudh, you are the world champion. How does that feel? What was going through your mind when you secured that title?
Oh wow, it's still kind of surreal to me. Honestly, it's been a long journey of training, setback, and learning from every match. When I won the title, I felt like all of the hard work, every early morning and late night of practice has finally paid off. And it's also humbling because to be considered the best in the world, it's an honor.
That's incredible. And I think what's more impressive is how do you balance being a world champion and still giving best as a student of class 10?
Thank you. It's definitely a challenge, but I think it all comes down to time management and staying disciplined. Being a world champion requires a lot of dedication, but so does being a student. I try to prioritize my time, whether it's training, studying, or just taking a break. It's about finding the balance. I also have a strong support system, including my coach, family, friends, who help me staying grounded and focused. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Plus, the skills I have learned through Sway help me in my academics too. All connected.
Such a great mindset. How do your family, friends, and school sports community support you in your journey? How important they are in your success?
My friends, family, and school community are crucial to my success. My family is my biggest support. They are always there for me, whether it's cheering me on a competition or helping me staying focused. When things get tough, my friends keep me grounded and help me staying balanced. And my school community is amazing. Teachers are understanding and flexible with my schedule, and I feel so proud to represent my school. Having all these people behind me makes the journey so much easy and help me and motivate me to keep going. They are a huge part of my success.
It's clear that having such a strong support system makes a huge difference in your journey, Anirudh. It really shows how important it is to be surrounded yourself with the people who believe in you. So Anirudh, now you are in class 10, which is an important year for every student. With all the academic pressure and your intense training schedule, do you will be able to continue school at the same level, or are you planning to adjust your focus? How do you balance both school and school in coming year?
Class 10 is definitely a big year, but I am committed to balance both school and school. I need to adjust my training schedule a bit to focus on studies, especially with exam coming up, but I have learned how to manage my time and I'll keep training, just maybe in a more structured way, to make sure I can give my best in both areas.
You have got great focus. Balancing both will definitely work with your time management. Anirudh, with all your experience in school, how do you think you can contribute to your school's sports community or inspire other students to pursue their passion?
I would love to help by sharing my experience and training tips with other students. I think mentoring younger athletes or even organizing training sessions could inspire others to give Sway a try and staying motivated in their own goals.
That's a great idea. Looking ahead, what's your ultimate goal in school? Is there any specific milestone that you are aiming to achieve next?
My ultimate goal is to reach the Olympic level in Sway. I am focused to improve every day, both mentally and physically. To get there, it's a long journey. but representing my country in the Olympic is what motivates me the most.
Wow, that's an incredible goal. Your dedication will definitely get you there. Who or what inspires you the most in your square journey?
I am inspired by my grandfather. He taught me the value of hard work, resilience, and never give up. No matter what the obstacle, his strength and determination always motivate me to keep pushing forward.
How has your grandfather's influence shaped your approach to both Square and life in general?
My grandfather taught me the importance of persistence and staying strong through challenges. His influence has helped me staying focused and never give up in both square and in life.
That's really beautiful. It's clear that your grandfather's wisdom has played a big role in shaping your mindset. His influence is definitely helping you go far looking back on your journey so far. Is there any one moment that stand out as a turning point in your square journey?
A turning point for me was during the national when I injured my thigh. It was a tough moment, and at first I wasn't sure that I would be able to continue competing, but instead of letting me it hold back, it actually motivated me more. I realized how much I want to push through pain and give my best. The injury taught me the lot about resilience and mental strength. It made me more determined to not only recover but also come back stronger than before.
Incredible! Turning that injury into motivation shows true strength and determination. If you had to dedicate your World Championship title, to whom would it be and why?
I would dedicate my world champion title to my grandfather and my coach. My grandfather instilled in me the values of hard work and perseverance, while my coach provided the guidance and support that helped me reaching my potential. Their belief in me has been invaluable on my journey.
Great dedication. It shows appreciation for those who supported you. Simple and heartfelt. Thank you so much for joining us today. Your story is truly inspiring.
Yes, thank you. We can't wait to see what you achieve next.
Thank you both. It was a pleasure.